few more bits stripped off of D today on the front end, giving us access to the engine, everything we need to get to be able to take it out. Also been stripping the interior as well. We got the roll cage, headlining and carpet. Side skirts are there too. Obviously, because we've got the carpet out, we've also got the seats out. Looking rather bare inside now. Just a steering column, dashboard, pedal box and wiring loom left to come out. Then we can start putting the ST wiring loom in and then all the rest of the stuff back. While it's all bare, we're going to run the stereo cables through properly, make a better job of fitting them. And we're also going to fit the roll cage back in and finish off building the front half of it. So we'll have a full cage. Now there's no denying that this is a big job, but luckily our students are up for it and it'll be worth it. Taking the car down to a body shell and then rebuilding it from every last nut and bolt and wire. It'll be worth it when it's done. Hopefully we'll be seeing you at a lot of the shows.